Hello, and we're back. We are looking at this problem of similarity between these two shapes that you should be looking at in your Classkick. You'll notice we have a pentagon and a larger pentagon. This means that they are similar. So we have pentagon HAPIE is similar to pentagon NWYRS. And this also tells you, because of the order, which segments correspond to what. And so I want to make sure that you understand the idea that if we have similar shapes, segments correspond. Okay, so HA corresponds with NW. Alright, so HA corresponds with NW. HA corresponds with NW. We know that HA is 6 and NW is 18. That is the only pair of corresponding segments that we know. So I'm going to go ahead and write up here. We can see, well, I'm going to write it right here. HA over NW, this ratio of this over this, doesn't matter which one we put on top or on bottom, as long as we remain consistent, but I'm putting all the ones in the smaller pentagon on top. So HA over NW, whatever that ratio is going to be equal to all the other corresponding segments. You can see that the next corresponding one is AP corresponds with WY. AP corresponds with WY. Okay, and that corresponds with PI over YR. So whatever this ratio is going to be the same ratio here and the same ratio here. Okay, PI corresponds with YR. So the smaller one over the bigger one is the same ratio for each one of these. And we're just going to finish that out. IE corresponds with RS. And finally, EH corresponds with SN. So we're going to use this, okay, as our map on how to find the lengths of the missing sides here. Okay, so I know that HA over NW is 6 over 18. Okay, so I'm going to say 6 over 18, and that equals AP over YW. Or excuse me, WY. AP over WY. So that's AP. I don't know what AP is, but I do know what WY is. It's 24. Okay, and now I have to solve this ratio. Now, if you need help solving that ratio, I'll put a link in the description of my video on how to solve proportions. Okay, if you need help with that proportion. I'm going to simplify this, is what I prefer to do, and then I have AP over 24. I'm going to multiply both sides by 24, right? And I'm going to say 24 over 3 equals 24 AP over 24, right? So 24 over 24 is 1. 1 times AP is just AP. 24 over 3 is 8. Okay? Another way to think of it is, what I'm going to do for most of the others, is I could say, oh, well, there's a relationship between 18 and 6. That's divide by 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6. So 24 divided by 3 is 8. Either way is fine, but I know that AP is 8. Okay? So I used this equation here, and I figured out that AP is 8. Okay. Next, I'm going to do this one. I realize it's not the order of the answers you're going for, but I'm just going to go in order with how I wrote this out. I'm going to keep this first one. I'm going to use 6 over 18, or really just 1 over 3. I'm going to say, okay, 1 over 3 equals PI over YR. PI, which is 4, over YR, and I don't know what YR is. That's the variable I'm going for. Okay, so again, I can go from here to here. This is divide by 3, but you know what? No, I want to go from here to here. Excuse me. I want to go from here to here, and that's times 3. Here to here times 3, and that's going to be 12. Okay, so for this one, okay, I got YR equals 12. Alright, right there. So YR equals 12. I'm going to circle this one in the pink there. Okay, the next one, I'm going to use 1 over 3 equals IE over RS. 1 over 3 equals IE. I don't know what IE is. same thing as EI, IE, doesn't matter which order I put it in, over RS, or SR. So that is 21, okay? So here, I have this number, I want to get this, so I want to go in that direction. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. Here, 21 divided by 3 is 7. So I know that IE, or EI, is 7. Okay? So I just used this one and this one, right? And I learned that IE is 7. Get the right color pen right there. And then the last one here, right, I'm going to use 1 over 3. 6 over 18 is 1 over 3. Equals EH over SN. EH is 5 over SN, I don't know. Alright? So again, I want to go this direction. So here, this is going to be 1 times 3 is 3. 5 times 3 is 15. So that is 15 there. So I used this and this right there. And I learned that SN is 15. Okay, so I hope that was helpful to see how to set up this big, long, proportional relationship between the two similar sides, two similar figures, and then you get to figure out which one you need. First it was this, then we did this, then we did this, then we did this. All right, I hope that was helpful. We will see you next time.